Hello dear friend, good morning. I am going to introduce some basic concept about trigonometrical ratios and as we know that there are six trigonometrical ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now I am going to explain about the some basic concept that we know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If this is the right angle triangle, if this is right angle triangle A, B and C, this is base. If we are measuring theta from this is base, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. If we will measure theta from here, then this will be the perpendicular, this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base, and hypotenuse will be same in both case. So also we know sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and tan 60 is equal to 1 root 3. So I am going to explain how we are getting this value: sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45, sine 90 and sine 0, similarly cos, similarly tan. How we are getting this value? So I am going to introduce some basic concept behind it. Let us draw equilateral triangle. Let us draw equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all angles are of 60 degree and all sides will be equal. Yes sir, this is 60 degree and this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. And if this side is of A, so this side will be also of A and this side will be also of A length. Yes. Now let us draw one angle bisector. Angle bisector is a line segment which divides angle into two equal halves. Means this angle will be equal to this angle. This angle bisector will also bisect opposite sides into two equal halves at perpendicular at 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree. This is the property of equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle also. So this is 90 degree. It means, sir, A, B, A, C, let us say this is D. Now, sir, this is right angle triangle. Yes, A, D, C. A, D, C is right angle triangle. In triangle A, D, C is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? Yes, right. Right angle triangle. So, sir, hypotenuse length is A. Yes. If this is A, it means this bisector, angle bisector also divides opposite sides into two equal halves. Means this will be A by 2 and this will be A by 2. Yes. Now this is right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, this is perpendicular if we are measuring theta between this line and this line, and this line. So this will be perpendicular and this will be base and this will be hypotenuse. Yes sir. Now sir, this is P. According to Pythagoras theorem, H square is equal to P square plus B square. Yes. What is H? A square. What is P? I have to calculate P square. What is B? A by 2. A by 2 means whole square. So P square is equal to A square minus A square by 4 means 3A square by 4 means 3A square by 4 means what will be P? P will be under root 3 by 2A. Yes. Now see, sine 60 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular root 3 by 2. A, what is hypotenuse? A cancel, root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to, what is the definition of cos 60? It is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. Yes sir. What is base? Base means A by 2. A by 2. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is A cancel, 1 by 2. Yes. What is tan theta? What is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree means what is the ratio? Perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular this root 3 by 2 a, root 3 by 2 a upon what is base? A by 2. A by 2. 2 cancel, a cancel. So tan 60 is equal to root under 3. Tan 60 is equal to root under 3. Similarly, if I want to know what will be the value of sin 30, I don't know the formula, I don't know the value. So what will be the value of sin 30? So if this angle is 60 degree, so this angle will be 30 and this angle will be 30. If we are measuring theta between AC and AD, then opposite side will be the perpendicular. Remember it, opposite side will be the perpendicular. Then if we say sin 30 degree perpendicular upon hypotenuse, in this case sin 30 perpendicular will be this, means a by 2, and hypotenuse means a cancel. Sir, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. No need to remember any value. Okay, so means what, we know the basic concept, basic logic behind the getting this value. So similarly cos 30, similarly tan 30, and similarly its reverse trigonometrical ratios.